Back here with you guys, and I want to share with you guys today what I've been working on for some time. I've been learning this basic JavaScript code for some time now. This basic JavaScript code I've been learning for some time, and I want to share it with you guys because it's somehow learning it all on my own without sharing with you guys on my YouTube channel. So I have 113 courses I'm meant to do, but I've already done 46 of them. So I will start from the first one so that I'll share with you guys a little of what I already know. Okay, let me start from the first one. So the first one talked about comments, and I was asked to do some tasks. I was asked to do some tasks. So guys, I'm going to do the tasks that they say I should do. They say try creating one of each of the following comments. Okay, here they talked about comments in JavaScript, and JavaScript comment is being noted with this forward slash. So I will just say something like, this is a comment. So I will do the other comments, a backslash and asterisk. Sorry for that. A backslash and asterisk, and then an asterisk with under backslash. So this one is a multi-line comment. Okay, let me just show you guys. This is a multi-line comment. So I can just move to the next line and say, this is a new line. See, it keeps on going. So with this, I'm done with this task. Let me just submit it. See, I'm gonna stop here for now. I have other things to do, but guys, subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment, guys. So guys, I'm leaving you here. See you in my next video.